In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook Office 365. This is a simple but powerful way to signal urgency or a casual heads up, whether you're using Outlook on your desktop or in a web browser. Setting importance doesn't speed up delivery or change who receives the message. It adds a clear visual cue so your recipient can prioritize what to read first. Start by composing your message. Click the New Email or New Message button to open a fresh email window. Give your message a clear subject and start drafting the body as you normally would. You can set the importance at any time while composing, so don't worry if you haven't finished writing yet. Next, look for the tags area along the top toolbar, often called the ribbon in the desktop app. In many layouts, you'll see two small icons there, a red exclamation mark and a blue downward arrow. On the web version, these controls appear in the command bar at the top of the Compose window. If you don't immediately see them, resize the window or expand any collapsed menus along the top. The icons may be grouped if your window is narrow. Now choose the importance level. Click the red exclamation mark to mark the message as high importance. This is best for urgent items that truly need quick attention, like a same-day deadline or time-sensitive approval. If your message is more of an informational update, click the blue downward arrow to mark it as low importance. That lets people know it's helpful context but not time-critical. If you change your mind, you can click the same icon again to toggle it off before sending. When you're ready, send your email as usual. The recipient will see a small icon next to your subject line in their inbox, the red exclamation mark for high priority or the blue arrow for low. Inside the message, the importance is also indicated, and you'll see the same marker in your sent item so you can confirm it was applied. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.